Join me as I challenge myself to stick to my fit habits for an entire month and see if it really leads to a happier life. I've always been fascinated by the connection between fitness habits and a happy life. It's amazing how small changes to our daily routine can have a significant impact on our overall well-being. In this video, we'll be exploring some simple yet effective tips and tricks to help you stay motivated and committed to your fitness goals. You can expect to learn some practical advice on how to make healthy habits a part of your lifestyle. Fitness habits are not just about physical health, they also have a profound impact on our mental well-being. By incorporating healthy habits into our daily routine, we can improve our mood, increase our energy levels, and even reduce stress. I'm excited to share my knowledge with you and help you get started on your own fitness journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, these tips will help you take your fitness to the next level. Regular exercise and healthy eating are just a few examples of fitness habits that can have a significant impact on our lives. By making these habits a part of our daily routine, we can experience a range of benefits, from improved physical health to increased mental clarity. I'll be sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks for staying motivated and committed to your fitness goals. From finding a workout buddy to tracking your progress, we'll cover it all. As we dive into the world of fitness habits, I want to emphasize the importance of finding a routine that works for you. Everyone is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. That's why it's essential to experiment and find a routine that you enjoy and can stick to in the long term. In the next section, we'll be discussing some specific fitness habits that you can incorporate into your daily routine. I'm really passionate about sharing these fitness habits with you because I've seen firsthand the impact they can have on our lives. I've been on my own fitness journey for a while now, and I've learned a thing or two about what works and what doesn't. From trying out new workout routines to experimenting with different diets, I've been on a mission to find the perfect balance of fitness and happiness. One of the most significant habits I've developed is my morning routine, which includes a 30-minute workout and a healthy breakfast. Speaking of breakfast, do you like coffee? And would you like to improve your metabolism? If so, click the link below and watch the video to see how easily you can enjoy the benefits of both. Back to the video. My morning routine has been a game changer for me, and I'm excited to share it with you. By starting my day with a workout and a healthy meal, I'm able to boost my energy levels and set myself up for success. I've also found that having a consistent routine helps me stay motivated and focused throughout the day. Another habit I've developed is my weekly meal prep, which saves me time and ensures that I'm eating healthy meals throughout the week. I've also learned the importance of listening to my body and taking rest days when I need them. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that we need to push ourselves to the limit every day, but the truth is that rest and recovery are just as important as exercise and nutrition. By giving my body the time it needs to recover, I'm able to come back stronger and more motivated than ever. I've made some amazing progress on my fitness journey, and I'm excited to share some of my favorite tips and tricks with you. One of the most significant challenges I've faced on my fitness journey is finding the motivation to keep going. There have been times when I felt like giving up, when the results weren't coming as quickly as I wanted, or when I just didn't feel like working out. But I've learned that motivation is what gets you started, and habit is what keeps you going. By focusing on building healthy habits, rather than just trying to motivate myself to work out, I've been able to stay on track and make progress towards my goals. I've also had the opportunity to connect with others who are on their own fitness journeys, and it's been amazing to see the impact that these habits can have on people's lives. From weight loss to increased energy, I've heard countless stories of how fitness habits have transformed people's lives. I've met people who have lost weight, gained confidence, and even started new careers as a result of their fitness journey. It's truly inspiring to see the impact that these habits can have. As I continue on my own fitness journey, I'm reminded of the importance of perseverance. There have been setbacks and challenges along the way, but I've learned to stay focused and motivated, even when things get tough. I've had to deal with injuries, illnesses, and even self-doubt, but I've always found a way to push through and come out stronger on the other side. And I've learned that it's okay to not be okay, and that it's okay to ask for help when you need it. I've also had some amazing breakthroughs on my fitness journey, and one of the most significant was when I realized that fitness is not just about physical health, but also about mental well-being. I was going through a tough time in my life, and I found that exercise and healthy eating were not only improving my physical health, but also my mental health. I was able to manage my stress and anxiety, and I even started to enjoy the process of taking care of my body. It was a truly eye-opening experience, and it's changed my approach to fitness forever. This breakthrough moment was a turning point for me, and it's had a lasting impact on my life. I've been able to approach fitness with a new perspective, one that focuses on overall well-being rather than just physical health. I've learned to listen to my body and honor its needs, and I've been able to develop a healthier relationship with food and exercise. And I've been able to share this knowledge with others, and help them on their own fitness journeys. As I look back on my fitness journey, I'm reminded of the importance of staying motivated and committed to my goals. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. I've learned to celebrate my successes, no matter how small they may seem, and to be kind to myself when I make mistakes. I've learned to focus on progress, not perfection, and to enjoy the journey, rather than just the destination. And I've learned to surround myself with people who support and encourage me, and to be that person for others as well. One of the most important things I've learned on my fitness journey is the importance of community. Having a support system of like-minded people who share your goals and values can make all the difference. I've been lucky enough to connect with some amazing people who have supported and encouraged me every step of the way. And I've been able to do the same for them, and it's been an incredible experience. We've been able to motivate and inspire each other, and we've been able to learn from each other's experiences. I've also learned the importance of self-care and self-compassion. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that we need to be perfect, that we need to have it all together all the time. But the truth is, we're human, and we're going to make mistakes. We're going to have setbacks and challenges, and we're going to need to be kind to ourselves when that happens. I've learned to be gentle with myself, to listen to my body and honor its needs, and to prioritize my own well-being. As I continue to share my fitness journey with you, I want to emphasize the importance of staying positive and focused. It's easy to get caught up in negative thoughts and self-doubt, but I've learned that it's possible to overcome those feelings and stay motivated. I've learned to focus on the present moment, to enjoy the process of taking care of my body, and to celebrate my successes along the way. And I've learned to be patient with myself, to trust the process, and to know that everything will work out in the end. Remember to check out the links in the description and watch the short videos for some great health supplements and metabolism boosting options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're looking for more health tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got a great video on healthy meal prep ideas that you might find helpful. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to hearing about your own health story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I've got a lot of great content coming up, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.